Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So this is related to phone link not receiving message or showing any send the message. So click to start, then click setting, then click on app, then click install app, S- then scroll down, find out phone link. If you are not getting, you can click on system component in the last. Then you can see this is a phone link and click on three dot, then click to advanced option, scroll down, click always, select the always. Okay, and then scroll down. Then first click to reset phone link I'm talking about, and then click to repair it. Then that single click to terminate. Wait few seconds, it will complete it. Okay, then restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.